There are 5 dinosaur eggs hiding here.
Wonderful! You found an egg! Excellent searching!
All aboard for another challenge! These eggs are all mixed up. Will you help us put each one in the right nest?
Are you sure those two are a match? You got it!
You need to match both the color and pattern this time.
You did it!
Next up, Cretaceous Era! This dinosaur egg is almost ready to hatch. Which mommy does it belong to? Someday, this baby dinosaur will use a large crest on its head to communicate.
Great job! You really know your dinosaurs!
Well done! You've earned a mystery egg. This dinosaur baby is a Titanosaurus. Its picture has been added to your dinosaur baby book. These are pictures of the baby dinosaurs that hatched from your mystery eggs. Move your finger back and forth to paint with the magic brush.